The same way women suffer from yeast infection is the same way men suffer from yeast infection. In my last video, I talked about causes of yeast infection in women, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about causes and treatments of yeast infection in men. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeast infection is caused by an overgrowth of fungus called Candida. In men, it affects the tip of the penis, or in rare cases, it affects the foreskin. So I'm going to talk about the cause. The first cause in men is poor hygiene. I don't know who came about this psychology of men can wear their boxers twice and women cannot wear their panties twice. The same way women should not wear their panties twice is the same way men should not wear their boxers twice. This is because both are bringing out discharge. The same way you have vaginal discharge is the same way we have penile discharge. But penile discharge might not be as much as vaginal discharge. Right? And another thing is, some men do not even rinse whenever they urinate. They feel that it's not touching my skin, unlike the women. Do you understand? It is advisable to practice good hygiene in order to eradicate yeast infection. The next one is tight clothing. There is this so-called boxers called condom boxers. I'm always against this thing. This is because this condom boxers is made of synthetic, which will prevent that place from being ventilated. When you wear this thing, it creates a moist environment for the microorganisms which promote the growth of yeast infection. The next one is weak immune system. Those that have heart disease, diabetes, those that have abused antibiotics, it can lead to yeast infection because there is no bacteria that will help fight against the fungus called Candida. Sugary foods, the same way sugary foods can affect women is the same way sugary food can affect men, because it is the same bacteria and it is looking for how to thrive. Do you understand? Symptoms of yeast infection in men. The first one is itching. Yes. The foreskin can be itching you, or even the head of the penis. The second one is redness or inflammation on the head of the penis. The next one is sore on the head of the penis. I've practically seen someone with sore on the head of the penis and he was still having sexual intercourse with his woman. That's very bad because you are subjecting yourself to more dangerous infection and you are also subjecting your woman to infection. In as much as yeast infection is not a sexually transmitted infection, you want to take some precautions. You can also experience pain during urination, dry skin around the penis, thick or white discharge under the foreskin of the penis. Now, in severe cases, you can experience cracked skin, foul smell, or even sore on the head of the penis. Now, let's move to the treatment. So, same as women, although women can use suppository, but I don't think men can use suppository. Antifungal creams can be used and also oral medications. The last one is prevention. Proper hygiene. Do not repeat your boxers without washing them. Yes, the same rules that guides the women to wash their panties is the same rules that guides the men to wash their boxers. So do not repeat your boxers if you've not washed them. The next one is always wash your scrotum very well. You see, it has a rough surface, so you don't just want to leave it. Always wash it very well. Make sure you rinse after urinating. Do not use antibiotics if it is not prescribed. Avoid the use of harsh products to wash your penis because you want to be a skincare man. You want to start washing the head of your penis or even your penis with some kind of soaps. It is not advisable. Ordinary water is okay. Keep sugar under control. Change wet or swimwears as soon as possible, and always wear cotton underwears. All those condom boxers you have in your house, it is time to throw them away. That's all about this video. Let me know if it was helpful. Like this video, drop your thought at the comment section, share this video to every man you have in your life, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and see you in my next one. Bye.